Hello there. Welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into
Top 5 best apps for paper trading in India. Number 1. FRONTPAGE. Imagine stepping into a bustling marketplace, but instead of fruit stands or busy shops, it's filled with traders, both seasoned experts and curious beginners like yourself. FRONTPAGE is more than just a platform. It's a thriving community where you feel like you're part of something bigger. Here, you're not just learning how to trade, but also experiencing the highs and lows of real-time market discussions. As a new trader, it can feel daunting, but in FRONTPAGE, you're never alone. The sense of camaraderie is palpable as users share strategies, wins, and even mistakes. You can practice trading in a simulated environment where there's no risk of losing your hard-earned money, and that feeling of safety is empowering. As you watch your virtual portfolio grow, or sometimes fall, you're not just learning numbers, you're learning how to manage your emotions, how to stay calm during market fluctuations, and how to make decisions under pressure. FRONTPAGE's real-time data makes the experience feel all the more real, but with the comforting knowledge that you're still in a safe space to grow. You learn, you evolve, and you gain confidence, all while being part of a supportive trading community. Number 2. TRADINGVIEW. For someone who dreams of mastering the markets, TRADINGVIEW is like being handed the ultimate toolkit. Picture this, it's early morning, and the charts on your screen seem alive. Fluctuating lines, historical data, and future trends all waiting for you to decipher them. There's a rush of excitement as you experiment with different strategies in TRADINGVIEW's paper trading feature. You try out bold moves without the fear of financial loss, feeling the thrill of possibilities with every click. This platform is where knowledge meets creativity. You get to craft your own charts, experiment with indicators, and save your templates, watching patterns unfold like the plot of a gripping novel. There's a sense of satisfaction in seeing your theories come to life, even if they're only simulated. And then there's the community aspect, where you share ideas and strategies with traders around the world, and each like, comment, or piece of advice feels like a vote of confidence in your budding skills. TRADINGVIEW isn't just about numbers on a screen. It's where intuition meets logic, and every success, big or small, gives you that rush of achievement. Number 3. NEOSTOX app. If you're serious about learning the ropes of Indian stock markets, NEOSTOX feels like entering an exciting new world where you can test your skills without fear. The moment you log in, you're welcomed into a realistic trading environment that mimics the real market. It's like standing at the edge of a fast-moving river, ready to jump in, but with a safety harness. You make your first virtual trade, and there's a pulse of adrenaline as you wait to see how it plays out. Every win brings a wave of pride, and even the losses don't sting because they're teaching you valuable lessons. NEOSTOX's real-time market simulation feels exhilarating, as if you're riding the waves of the stock market, but with no real risk of sinking. The app offers intuitive tools to help you manage your trades, and each time you click execute, you're building the confidence to one day do it for real. It's the perfect platform for experimenting, whether with stocks or derivatives, and you can feel yourself growing, bit by bit, trade by trade. Each day on NEOSTOX, you're not just becoming a better trader, you're becoming a smarter risk taker. Number 4. SENSIBULL. If options trading is a mystery, SENSIBULL is like finding a map that guides you through the maze. The excitement starts the moment you realize you can test complex strategies without putting any money on the line. There's a sense of curiosity that drives you to experiment with different options chains, and with every hypothetical trade, your understanding deepens. It's like solving a puzzle, and every time you fit a piece, you can feel your skills sharpening. What makes SENSIBULL stand out is the safety net it provides. You can explore bold strategies, knowing that even if they don't work, you've lost nothing but gained experience. It's a bit like learning to ride a bike with training wheels. The stakes are low, but the growth is real. The platform even offers pre-built strategies, so if you're unsure, you can ride on the shoulders of giants and then tweak things as you get more comfortable. There's an undeniable thrill in watching your virtual trades play out and realizing that you're not just learning about trading. You're learning about yourself, your risk tolerance, and how to stay calm in the face of market volatility. Number 5. Kite by Zerodha. Zerodha's Kite platform gives you the wings to explore this world without the fear of falling. With Kite's paper trading feature, you can test your strategies in the stock market, dipping your toes in the world of Indian equities and derivatives. Every simulated trade feels like a stepping stone toward understanding the intricate dance of the market. Kite's sleek and user-friendly interface makes navigating the stock market feel intuitive, like you're in the cockpit of a high-tech jet, able to see everything, make adjustments, and learn with each new piece of data. The app is not just about placing trades, it's about experiencing the market in real time. You'll feel the excitement as you track your virtual portfolio, watching the ups and downs, and analyzing what you could have done differently. What sets Kite apart is its powerful analytics tools, charts, market trends, and news updates that equip you with the same information that seasoned traders use. With each trade you place, you feel your confidence growing. You're not just playing with numbers. You're learning how to manage risk, strategize, and respond to market fluctuations like a pro. And the best part? You can make mistakes without consequences, letting you refine your skills before taking that bold leap into real trading. Kite isn't just a tool. It's your training ground, your safety net, and your springboard into the world of stock trading. These are the top 5 best apps for paper trading in India.